Hey guys, it's Sonia from OTG Naturals. So today I'll be reviewing two products, and they are from Maui's products, shampoo and hair mask. So I went to DM Germany, DM Deutschland, and I was so happy to find this product at the store because it actually caught my attention because of the shea butter in it, and I was so happy to pick them, and I'm trying them out today to tell you how good it is. So normally I actually had this cornrows now, this imperfect cornrows for like a week, and I was so sad to take them out because it was really pretty. I mean, for me. But then, yes, I have to review this product. So what I do is I part my hair into four sections, and normally I do wash my hair. I do wet my hair with water or a spray because it's best for me. This time I just decided to pour water on my hair just to get the hair wet so I can use the shampoo while recording. So yeah, I pack my hair into four sections, and then I go ahead and apply my shampoo.
Holy, 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 holy is the Lord. You became man just for me to live in peace and be free. Ah, I appreciate you. Oh,
Even at this point, while using the shampoo, I could actually see my curls being defined already, and that was really pretty. I mean, that was awesome because you know, washing your hair and seeing your curls without applying conditioner. I mean, the shampoo is great, and I really loved it. So I just used my detangling brush to wash my scalps to remove any product buildup and any other dirt beneath my scalp. So yes, and it was really nice. I mean, the chorus, I'm so in love with it. So right after that, I went ahead to apply my air mask, the air mask from Maui also, and the hair mask was one beautiful thing about it is that it smelled really nice. Like it smelled nice. The smell was really good. And so as you can see, my curls are still defined using the air mask. Wow, that was good. I mean, I was so excited. And then yes, I left this mask in for approximately 20 minutes, and then after I just washed them out, and as you will see, the curls were nice, my curls were soft, pretty, and yeah, it was great. So this is my hair after washing out the hair mask, and as you can see, my hair looks beautiful, my curls are defined, and my hair is super soft. So I just went ahead to apply my DIY hair butter, which I made that same day, and it was really good because it leaves my hair moisturized and hydrated. You can follow or check out my page on Instagram at OTJ Naturals. I share simple and easy do-it-yourself recipes, simple conditioners that you can actually make with the ingredients from your kitchen, and also share different oils that can help your hair grow and how to retain length. I actually just share everything that has to do with natural hair growth, updates, and simple, easy do-it-yourself recipes. And so at this point, I just twist my hair into four sections, and I kind of bobby pin them all behind. So that would be my protective style.
if not for you, Lord, I don't know how this life would have been, or if there would have been life at all. I could have been nothing, nothing without you. No sun, no sky, no moon, no stars. Halle, 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 halle.
This is the end result. My edges are laid and beautiful. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel OTJ Naturals, and also follow us on Instagram at OTJ Naturals. Bye.